In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Telegram private channel videos to gallery. Let's begin. So I'm going to use a Telegram channel for example. If I select this one, and then I head over to the top, then select the profile icon, under the channel name, it'll tell you that the channel is private. So it's going to be very hard to download videos and images which are sent to this channel. So what you need to do is head over to your Play Store, then search up files by Mark. And here it is, simply install it. So once it is done, you're going to open it, then head over to Android, then select data. Then you're going to type in Telegram. After typing in Telegram, select the folder which says Telegram. And as you can see here, the picture which was in the private channel has been downloaded to my phone. So if I go back to Telegram, to the private channel, you'll see that the image is there. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.